Hi and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to set Google Chrome as default browser in Windows 11. So let's get started. First you must click on the Start and click on Settings here. Now click on Apps here on the left side. Click on Apps and now click on Default Apps. Now search which search engine, web browser do you want to be default in your Windows 11. I will choose Google Chrome. And here you can make Google Chrome your default browser. Set default. You must click this button, set default. And now I have Google Chrome default browser in my Windows 11. And that's it. Super simple. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips, and see you next time. Have a great day. Bye bye.